How to use Digital Card Holder app, step-by-step guide. Sign in. Open the Digital Card Holder app and log in using your mobile number, country code, and password. If needed, use Forgot Password to reset it. After login, you will reach the dashboard. Step 2. Dashboard Overview. The dashboard shows a quick summary of your activity, including scanned cards, digital cards, total cards, synced cards, cloud backup, cards added this week, total folders. This helps you understand how organized your cards are. Step 3. Add a new card. Tap the camera button at the bottom. Capture card to scan a physical visiting card. Upload image to add a card from your gallery. Step 4. Enter card details. On the new card screen, add name, company, phone, email, folder, purpose, and notes. Tap Save Card to store it digitally. Step 5. Organize using folders. Go to the Folders section to manage cards under All cards, clients, vendors, work, or unsorted. This keeps everything well organized. Step 6. Use the Search tab to find cards by name, company, phone, email, or notes. Results appear as you type. Step 7. View and share cards. Open any card to call, email, copy details, share via WhatsApp or email, generate a QR code, download as vCard, or delete the card. Step 8. Create your digital card. In My Digital Card, create your own digital visiting card and share it anytime. Cloud Sync. All cards are securely saved and synced to the cloud, accessible from any device. Digital Card Holder, one app, all cards, zero confusion.